Purple Line are excited to introduce the Fullstop Security Nemesis Plus wheel lock for motorhomes and campervans, the latest in our range of innovative market-leading security products that protect leisure vehicles from theft. While traditional wheel clamps are bulky and notoriously difficult to fit, and steering wheel locks are a poor visual deterrent and fail to immobilise the vehicle, the strikingly coloured Nemesis Plus acts as an effective visual deterrent, fitting to and securing a vast range of wheel profiles in less than 10 seconds, making the device suitable at times when other wheel clamps and locks may not be, such as service stations and car parks. Built off the blueprint of our market-leading Nemesis Ultra wheel lock, the Nemesis Plus brings all of the strengths that customers already love and trust to the motorhome and campervan market. The patented teardrop-shaped shield plate weighs in at just 6.5 kilograms with an 8.5mm dual-layer hardened steel construction. It is coupled with various lightweight titanium elements, all together offering optimal strength and durability. This has been proven by winning a prestigious Red Dot Award for design and approval by Kiwa SCM International Test Standards, meaning that it has been laboratory tested to withstand corrosive, temperature, hand and power tool attacks. Our customers love the Nemesis Plus, and so do insurance companies. With our 5-year warranty and insurance discounts, you will be able to reap the benefits of the Nemesis Plus for years to come. Find your nearest retailer to purchase the Fullstop Security Nemesis Plus wheel lock for motorhomes and campervans at purpleline.co.uk/security.